This is the island where I saw the cryptid. When I came back another time, I saw a creature's head flash by me very quickly. I had seen these holes. Our trolls didn't know what made them. My guess? It's a coyote. Skywalkers! An unknown shape. But I am prepared.
I'm about to go kayaking with my dad. I'm so excited.
This one seat is kind of fucked up, but
That's okay.
still functional.
I'll sit in whichever one. I have to wear a life jacket because I don't know how to swim. This is where we're going. I'm so excited. Also, I got this new hat. So fall, so orange, red, brown. I love my life. I love October. I love October. I love October. We're going kayaking. And I gotta let that sun. This is amazing. I look so cute.
So, when I came to this island one time, I had seen these holes. Large holes, didn't know what made them. When I came back another time, I saw a creature's head flash by me very quickly. It was pacing back and forth, extremely agitated. So I didn't go onto the island. Now I have this knife, and I am going back there.
With me? Like, why?
Try to discover what is on this island.
Like, this is my dad.
My guess? It's a coyote.
And you didn't tell me this prior. I swear.
I told you. A surprise. I had a surprise.
Thank you for this.
Surprise is risking your life against a rabid coyote.
Thank you. And I'm risking my life right now because we're about to end up in this bush. Okay, never mind. Okay, well, yeah, so this is my dad's surprise for me. So thank you. Oh, I just splashed water on me. Okay, I gotta go.
This is a different island. The other one's bigger.
Is that water on the other side?
Alright, I just never come to this one before.
Back on the water, looking for the island. Oh, it's windy. And we're live.
This is the island where I saw the cryptid. An unknown shape. But I am prepared to take action and to settle scars.
We're gonna get stuck on this island. I'm scared.
Looking for an agitated animal.
How are you wearing shorts? I specifically wore jeans because I knew my dad was gonna get me into some shit. And you're wearing shorts. You check for ticks after this. This is the island where he saw the agitated animal. My dad just goes, do you know where a kayak is? And I freaked out. And also the whole time my vest was unbuttoned, one of them. So I would have literally drowned. I lost my dad.
What was that? What was that noise?
I hate you. Action.
Came to this island to find the coyote that had threatened me. I'm out to even the scat. Where are ya? Ah!
Where's the coyote? I live my life today. I took some cute pictures. Goodbye, island. Love you. It was fun. Now I'm putting my phone in this plastic bag because I can't have anything happen. Wow. It collapsed. Stop! Don't say the word! If you say the word, they come.
Skinwalker.
Stop! Stop!
Do not appear before us.
Stop!
I have a knife to pierce your skin, Skinwalker. I have a knife to pierce your skin.
And we're live. 3, 2, 1. Kayaking.
Yep. And I won't say Skinwalkers! I promise.
You just
You just do your one-handed paddling while I do all the work. How about that? And your paddle's backwards. For crying out loud.
Is it? It's because I'm recording the show.
This is the show?
Yeah.
Oh, God.
We're live right now.
State of modern TV. We're live?
No, I'm just like saying we're live.
Alright, let's go to the underground mine and then we'll leave.
The underground mine?
Yeah, the mine shaft was very deep.
What's in there? Diamonds? Gold?
Coal!
Coal?
Yeah. No, there's no mine.
Duh. Oh!
Waves here.
Whoa!
Here, we're in greater danger than the Franklin expedition. But I don't expect we'll have to resort to cannibalism to survive. Let's find out.
Hello everybody, this is Julie Ackermann reporting live with Dad versus Wild River Edition. Looks like Dad missed the ball on this one. No commotion, no coyote, no monster. But we'll get him next time. In later episodes, you will see many things. In one of them, we are looking for Bigfoot. In another, we are looking for the Loch Ness Monster. Stay tuned for our ghost episodes and our alien conversations. Dad versus Wild. What will we see?
It says danger.
I certainly think we can handle it. Let's go.
Oh my God, we're near the barrels of death. We're so close to the barrels of death.
I laugh at the barrels of death. means nothing to me. I will go any distance for the thrill. Let's go.
Yeah, thank you for not going to the barrels with Dad. You don't feel like it anymore?
Nah, I choose life.